How to log in into Fidelity Investment. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Fidelity Investment account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. Any web browser should be fine. I will be using Google Chrome. After you're there, simply search for Fidelity Investment Login. After you search for Fidelity Investment Login, you'll see the website for Fidelity open up. So select the website and open it up. You can directly head over to this website as well. After you're on the login page, all you have to do is type in your username. After you type in your username, type in the passcode. And after you type in the passcode, you can tap on the login button to log in. There's also an option to remember your username to make your future login process easier. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, there is an option to reset that as well. And that's how you log in into your Fidelity account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.